This is exactly what held me back from making money online, and these insights helped me make my first $1 million. I'm going to show you exactly what held me back from making money online. No matter if you want to start a business in dropshipping, e-commerce, affiliate marketing, day trading, or anything else, then you need to watch this video first. Hi, my name is Money Counter and I've been researching ways to make money online for about 10 years now. It took me 6 years to make my first $100,000, but once I realized what I am going to show you in this video, then it all happened almost overnight. Honestly, when it comes to making money online, there are no secrets or shortcuts. You have to put in the time and effort if you want any sort of success at all. But still, some people seem to get lucky out of nowhere with no effort whatsoever. That just doesn't make sense. So this video is going to break down everything what holds you back from getting started on our path towards financial freedom, and teach you how we can overcome those obstacles so we don't hit the wall like most people do. Number 1. Fear of failure. I didn't want to spend all this time and money on something that might not work. A quick Google search for make money online will give you tons of results, of which most are scams or not as easy as they seem. I got stuck in a rabbit hole because I was scared of failing and spending too much time on something that maybe would not work. So I learned everything there was on affiliate marketing. I studied all different kinds of methods, which niches are the best, what commission type is the best, recurring or one-time payments, what is the best deals, CPA, CPC, CPM, CPL, where to post content, and so on. After a year I basically knew everything there was to know about affiliate marketing. But I had made $0. Then I did the same with dropshipping and with many other things. Once I got motivated to start with something, I would be at a point where I knew so much that I needed to make everything perfect. So I never even got started instead. My advice is, don't think so much and learn as you go instead. Knowledge is great, but not if you overdo it. 2. Lack of self-confidence. I was afraid people would criticize me or make fun of me for being a stupid blogger when I was starting to learn how to make money online. Nowadays people treat bloggers with a lot of respect. You don't even have to be that good at writing articles or have great skills for graphic design. But back then I always had the fear of failing and people making fun of me. I felt like no one would take me serious. So I never even started a blog or YouTube channel or anything like that and just stayed with affiliate marketing, since I felt like it was something I already knew how to do. Affiliate marketing felt like a safe bet. But I did start a tech blog without telling anyone. At first I had to work really hard on perfecting my writing skills and the design of my blog. But when I got my confidence back, then I was able to make some decent money with it, no problem. So my advice is, even if you have one thing that works for you, try to build up as many passive income streams as possible. And don't be afraid of what others will think of you. You will suck at the new things, but get better over time. 3. A lack of discipline. It's really hard to keep going when you don't see any progress, especially when there are so many distractions out there, like social media, games, and so on. I would get distracted really quickly by something else more appealing to me, so I could just forget about it until way later when I needed the money again. Plus my self-confidence was also a problem here, since I couldn't even do one thing properly without getting frustrated. My advice here is, if you feel like you're a procrastinator, make yourself accountable. For me it was a great decision to join a mastermind group. But if you are too shy or don't have the time for that, or another reason, then you can instead create a Facebook group where you promise yourself to share your goal with others and ask them what they think about your progress. Even if it's not really embarrassing or you're scared they will laugh, it is a great way to keep yourself accountable and make sure you are actually moving forwards. 4. Obsessing over the small details. I can remember this one time I wanted to get into internet marketing and all the people online were talking about something called backlinking. I had to learn about all the different kinds of backlinks, which ones are best, etc. So I was just spending hours and days studying all about it. I learned so much that I thought I might be able to make money from doing backlinking for other people or companies instead, since there were no limits at how many links you could get. So I spent so much time on it, and then I started getting into details like PBNs, expired domains, and so on, which was something else I had to learn about. But when I was ready to start using my backlinks, I got outranked by all the websites with great domain names that were better optimized for their keyword. Most of the sites I worked on didn't even rank until months later. So it was a waste of time back then, since I was easily outranked by other people who had domain names with higher traffic and quality content. I didn't start making money from this until I realized that I needed to create maximum value. And to find the type of clients that I could do just that for, instead of shooting for everyone that had a website and needed links. My advice is, many times you will run into situations where you need to change your entire business, where everything won't go as planned. But if you can adapt and improve all the time, you will eventually find the sweet spot. 5. Fear of change. Quitting my job after 10 years of work to jump out there and start making money online was really scary for me. I felt like I was going to lose everything. My friends and family were skeptical about my decision, so I was already afraid of moving forwards with it. But on top of that, I kept messing up for no reason at all. I felt like I had the opportunity in front of me and I didn't even want to try, since other people made me feel stupid for trying to make money online. But I stuck it out. Set up a 3-month plan where I worked 40 hours every week on top of my normal job. During this time, I wrote a journal of my progress every day and set a goal of making at least 50% of my current salary once those 3 months was up. When the time came, I was making 90% of my former monthly salary, and quitting my 9-to-5 job was so much easier. My advice: it's all about showing yourself that you have the power inside you already, so don't let other people push you down. These 5 things and what I learned from them has cost me over 10 years to learn. The reason I am sharing this here with you is that I hope it could help you save some time. If you liked this video, please make sure to click like. And if you want to see more of my videos, feel free to subscribe. I will try to upload 1 video per week at least, and I'm always taking questions from my subscribers. So if you have any questions, comment below. Now let's go out there and make that dough.